This is Madagascar, a jewel of biodiversity under threat. What if your love for digital art could help preserve this unique sanctuary? Madagascar's fragile ecosystem is at risk. It's time for change. Your chance to make a difference is here. With our upcoming raffle, you can join the fight to protect Madagascar. Each NFT purchased fuels essential environmental conservation efforts in Madagascar. Together, we're turning digital art into tangible change. Join us. Your NFT, our shared mission. Be part of the raffle for Madagascar. Embrace change.